Hi guys, how can you use the Auto Blend Layers option in Photoshop? First, go to File, Place Embedded and insert the image you want to blend. Now right-click the image layer and select Flip Horizontal if needed. Position the image where you want by dragging it into place. Now right-click and select Rasterize Layer. Next, unlock the background layer by clicking the lock icon. Now hold the Shift key and select both layers together. After that, go to Edit Auto Blend Layers. Select the Stack Images option. Make sure these two options are enabled. Seamless tones and colors. Content aware. Fill transparent areas. Then press OK. Photoshop will automatically blend both images together smoothly. And that's it. This is how you can use the Auto Blend Layers option in Photoshop to create realistic blended images easily.